Tayo tayo last.
Oh, sabay kami ni boss ka matatapos eh.
Okay, hintayin ko kayo, tol. Hintayin ko
22
kayo.
minutes ako last.
Ako, 20 minutes.
Hintayin ko kayo, tol. Baka siya pa makatapat ko eh.
Ako siya pa makaparty ah.
Masama.
Ang gawin mo sa akin.
Di ako.
Leo, this week, may isang malaking pagbabago ang kusang mangyayari sa paligid mo. At habang may mga pintong nagsasara, mas malaking opportunity naman ang tahimik na naghihintay sa kabilang side.
Oh, yo, yeah.
Bago ko sabihin ang buong readings mo, Leo, tandaan, beautiful soul, collective readings lamang ito at hindi lahat ay magre-resonate.
Okay.
Para sa mas personal at mas detalyadong guidance,
Nakikinig ako.
private readings ang kailangan mo. Paalala
Private
rin,
readings.
hindi ako nagme-message first para mag-offer ng readings. Ang
Ano ba, may-
official website
Pakay ko sa'yo! Ano siya sasabihin mo?
ay thelightcaster.com.
Putang
Kung
ina.
wala dyan, hindi ako ang kausap mo. Mood mo this
Kaya nanalo
week,
kami,
hindi ka
panalo, Sam.
takot
Wager.
Demonyo.
magsimula
Tapos
ulit
na yung video, wala
dahil
pa sinasabi.
Mas malinaw na sa'yo kung alin ang worth fighting for at alin ang kailangan ng i-let go. Sa pera
Puta, let go na yung
may
jabo na
slow
yan.
but steady na financial
Putang ina ngayon.
progress
Perwisyo sa
papasok
buhay lang
at ang
ginagawa
isang
sa akin ng
practical
gagong yan.
decision na gagawin mo
Wala akong natanda ang magandang ginawa nung tarantadong
mas
yun.
magiging stable ang income mo sa mga susunod na linggo. Good
Okay.
news,
Good juice, good juice.
may partnership, reconciliation, o
Reconciliation.
unexpected offer na darating na makakatulong para mas bumilis ang progress ng isang goal na matagal mo nang gustong maabot. Warning,
Warning.
huwag mong
Ano kaya bad
piliting
news?
kontrolin ang mga bagay, na tapos na ang season dahil may
Ano kaya bad
blessing
news sa akin?
hindi makakapasok hanggat kumakapit ka pa sa nakaraan. Zodiac sign na makakasundo mo ay Aries.
Aries.
Zodiac sign na posibleng makaklash mo ay Scorpio.
Scorpio. Sino kaya Scorpio? Si Jabo kaya Scorpio yun? Ano ba birthday ni Jabo? Ano birthday ni Jabo?
is number
Scorpio.
19. Best time to manifest, 7 in the morning and
Number 19 daw. Number 19 daw, swerte natin. Try ko.
This-
Number 19, mamaya ka sa akin. Number 19. Why do you think they're the center of... Ay, kami naman pala talaga tol eh. Ayun pala eh, oh. Oh. Nyara sa inyo. Eh, no? Oh, Leo. Nasa gitna. Cancer, nando sa taas. Libra. Oh, wala. Tol. Imagine pag nag-19 pa. Imagine. Imagine.
Loves Leo so much.
Okay.
If you're a Leo or loved one, don't skip this video.
Tol, ganito yung mga pinapanood ko yung mga zodiac sign yun.
Heart so generous it overflows even when it's been bruised. Number 2, loyalty that doesn't bend even when it's tested 1,000 times. Number 3, the ability to carry everyone's weight and still smile like nothing's wrong. Number 4, a spirit built to lead, not by force, but by presence. Number 5,
Asan ba yung 19? Ito, 19, color red. Katabi na number 4. 19! Kala ko 19. Tang ina times 100 dun tulo. Magiging 130k yun, no?
confidence that
No?
doesn't compete, it just exists. Number 6, a laugh that heals even when it's hiding pain. Number 7, fire in the soul,
Fire
yet
in
a
the soul.
gentleness in how they love. Number
Okay.
8, a protector's energy, fierce, fearless, and non-negotiable. Number 9, love that's full volume, no games, no confusion, just real. Number 10, the grace to forgive without closure and still walk away with dignity. Number 11, an unspoken strength that holds everyone together in chaos. Number 12,
Oh.
bravery that makes impossible things look easy. Number 13, words that bring people back to life when they forget who they are. Number 14, authentic energy, raw, honest, magnetic. Number 15, the ability to shine bright without making others feel small. Number 16, a soul that inspires even
Tala ko ba? Ako ba yung inaano nito? Dinidescribe mo?
when it's quiet.
Parang kilala mo ko.
Number 17, a presence that turns silence into safety. Number 18, a heart that 21 reasons why
Pakita
God
dito, tol. Tol, dada ka lang mag-drive. Mali mo buhay mo, tol. Paano pag nadisgrasya ka dyan? Di mo mababalik yung buhay, tol. Pahalagaan mo. Dahan-dahan ka mag-drive. Di maganda yan. Makakarating ka sa pupuntahan mo. Tama na! Bahala ka. Taka na mo, scroll na lang kita, tol. Utang ina na.
People born in August are sensitive but not fragile. They can cry and be ready to fight. At the same time, they have a high tolerance for pain. They don't like to talk about personal things until they feel really comfortable with you. And they can't stand unreliable people, drama, lies, and hypocrisy. August-borns are also very good at distancing themselves from people, so always be careful how you treat them. Apologizing to someone who's in August doesn't help. Either you're going to do something to make it up to them, or you're not. August-borns have no problem giving advice and helping others, but don't
Tang ina nyo. Kaya, tol, si Jabo wala na yan, tol.
If their truth is too hard to take, and August
Wala na
will
talaga yun.
always be more dangerous when they're silent than when they're talking.
Demonyo.
August-borns will always be ready to give you the whole world if you need it, but they won't hesitate to abandon you if you're never able to give them anything in return.
Wala akong
August-borns
konsensya,
are also
tol.
very impulsive. They can decide to change their lifestyle at any moment without any problems or regrets. Don't hesitate to share this video with all the
Ay,
Leo cannot be your
punong.
friend. Not because they hate you,
Punong.
because they don't do casual. They don't waste time on surface relationships.
Mhm.
If you're not real, they won't even pretend you are, and that's why they're misunderstood. A Leo doesn't have friends, they have a circle, and it is extremely small. If a Leo is loyal to you, it is not casual. They will protect you like a threat, and they will remember every betrayal. They do not need constant
Tol,
validation.
hindi nagmamatter kung AI. Yung message. Yung message ang importante. Hindi importante kung AI yan o ano. Okay.
Do not chase approval. That makes them look cold. They can see through.
Gago, legit. Yung circle ko, tol, sobrang liit. Alam nyo ba yung mga dati kong friends? Kumbaga, nag-iiba-iba kasi yan. Kunwari, nag-i-step-step ka. Eh, syempre, hindi na kayo nagkakasundo ng mga tropa mo. Kunwari, classmate mo before. Hindi na kayo same-same ng mga trip sa buhay. So, nag-iiba-iba din yung tropa-tropa. Yung circle ko lang talaga ngayon is Kukoys. Nung simula na nag-stream ako.
through you in seconds, and they will not forgive lies. Not because they're dramatic, but because they're accurate. Leos are not toxic. They are simply honest about boundaries, and most people
Gago. Legit? Legit nga? Pakinggan nyo mabuti, ha?
because they're
Intindi nyo.
accurate. Leos are not toxic. They are simply honest about boundaries, and most people can't handle that. They don't need to be liked. They need to be respected. That's the difference. If you're a Leo, follow me and
Leo
Oh,
is the worst woman of
meron pa isa pa.
all zodiac signs. If you are a Leo
Oh, di ako babae, tol, ha?
or know someone,
Lalaki ako. Scroll down tayo. Lalaki ako.
Leo's relationship
Okay.
with money is different. Money doesn't control a Leo. It empowers them. A Leo doesn't just want wealth for luxury. They want freedom, the freedom to live boldly, to protect the people they love, and to build a life they're proud of. Here's what most people don't understand.
Go.
Leo enjoys nice things. They appreciate quality. They love celebrating success. But money alone will never impress them. Respect does. Loyalty
Gago, legit!
does. Character does. A Leo would rather be surrounded by genuine people than a room full of fake.
Eto, kwento ko lang, guys. Alam nyo ba, guys? Ewan ko kung ako lang, ha? Kwento ko lang. Kasi dati, nung nakaraan, si Karen, parang nayayabangan sa akin. Kasi, parang ang dami ko daw nabili last year. Kunwari, nakabili ko ng patrol tsaka ng bahay, di ba? Nakapagpatayo ako. Pero ba't daw hindi ako sobrang saya? Like, hindi ako yung paano ba? Hindi naman sobrang saya. Masaya ako sa loob ko. Pero alam mo yung hindi niya yung ine-expect niya na celebration ko ba? Paano ba yun? Ewan ko, paano ba? ang hirap explain. Ewan ko. Masaya ako, pero hindi ako yung, alam mo yun, yung ano,
Well, and when it comes to earning money, Leo doesn't think small
ewan ko. Baka, basta bahala na kayo tol.
because they believe they were born for more.
Sinare ko lang naman.
Challenge. Sometimes Leo can be so generous.
Pero pag nakikita ko yung mga nakakamit ko sa buhay, syempre sobrang saya. Pero sa loob ko lang, sa sarili ko lang. Alam mo yun? Chip, ba't nandiyan ka na? Aga-aga! Ba't gising ka agad, Chip? Kakaidlay mo lang, oh.
They give more than they should.
Legit, Chip! Eto, Chip. Mas sobrang saya ko pag nakikita ko na nananalo ko sugal. Legit. Magkano down mo, Chip? Oo, din. Laki down ko din,
Lovers
Chip.
sharing what they have.
Oo,
and putting
yun.
loved ones before themselves.
Down ako sa'yo 100. Down ako kay JJ 100.
To a Leo, real wealth isn't just what's in the bank. It's having peace,
Oo, yun.
purpose, and people who truly love you. The question
120 to siya. Chip, ba't kasi umasa ka pa kay CIP? Putang ina mo, wala na. Dead money na yung kick. Nangyari sa'yo. Wala na yung kay CIP, Chip. Wala na talaga yan.
would you choose money, respect, or loyalty?
Nangyari sa'yo.
Leo,
Gagong ganda ng TikTok ko.
makakari ka
Puro
ba?
zodiac sign.
Ano naman yung pinagdadaanan
Tol, ito yung... Dito ko ano ngayon, Tol, nakafocus ngayon. Gusto ko pag-aralan yung mga... Ano ba tawag dito, guys? Mga zodiac sign. Ano tawag dito, guys? Kahit sa cellphone ko, ganito lagi eh. Astrology? Astrology ba tawag dito? Astrology. Oo nga, no.
mong
Leo's
Leo, makaka-recover ka kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan
Eh, di naman ako... Ayoko dyan sa mga ganyan. Yung mga nagtatarot-tarot na yun. Puta ngayon, bigla nagka-brain rot.